Hey there, I'm Nicole, and today I want to walk you through a step that a lot of Bodygraph subscribers skip, and that is the webhook for your payment app. It's a small setting, but missing it will result in your reports never reaching your clients, even though their payment goes through. So let's get into it. Once you've connected your payment app to Bodygraph, you've added in this secret key, which allows you to charge your customer for the report that they're purchasing. The step that's often skipped is this webhook, which then sends your customer back to your website in order to complete the purchase. And this is what frequently gets missed, adding this into your payment app. The way the checkout process works is your customer clicks Buy Now to purchase the report. They're taken to Stripe or PayPal where they complete the purchase. And once the purchase is complete, then they are sent back to your website where they're able to download the report that they've just purchased. So the secret key is what charges your customers for the payment, and the webhook is what delivers the product. So inside Stripe, you want to make sure that you have this webhook added to your account. So here I've got it here and here. For PayPal, you want to make sure that you have this webhook added into your PayPal account. Now, if you're also selling your reports through the website builder, through the checkout process in the cart, then you also want to make sure that you are adding this webhook to your payment app. So if you have Stripe, you want to make sure that you have the bodygraph.cc or your domain. It'll be a specific website inside your account or a specific webhook inside your account. You want to make sure that you are adding that into your Stripe as well. So it's right here. And then for PayPal, it is right here. So again, the secret key is what's charging your customer for the report. The webhook is what is delivering it. If you have additional questions, you can reach Bodygraph support by clicking the chat bubble inside your Bodygraph account, or you can email support@bodygraph.com, and we are here to help you.